Hey guys, today we talk about how can you add author name on your MobiOffice app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on author name, just click on it. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you change your author name here. Then you click here on OK. Then it's going to change with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.